Hi everyone, in this video we'll be covering the merchant panel that we have for our out-of-the-box food delivery solution. So this is the landing page that we have for it, and as you can see it gives you a bird's eye view of the entire platform. Over here we have pending orders, the number of active orders, how many orders were delivered and how many orders were cancelled. And over here we provide the reports to the merchant to just compare the data and analyze the revenue and orders to understand the dynamics of this business. So they can just compare the data as well with the data of previous months by selecting the filter and comparing it. And below that we have pending and active orders. Going further, we have the menu option. So over here you can see the categories for this particular restaurant and what are the number of food items within that particular category. So for example, under Asian you have dumpling, spring roll and chow mein. Under Mexican you have tostadas, Mexican taco. And then under Italian you have lasagna and Italian pizza. So the merchant can actually configure all these items by himself by just clicking on this plus option and creating the categories as well as the food items. So you just need to specify the name, the tags, what's the description, and the website and application image. And then over here the merchant can just manage his profile, what's the delivery area, what's its personal info, the ratings and reviews given to that particular restaurant by customers, and what's the configuration, what's the preparation time, what's the minimum delivery time and maximum delivery time, and the availability as well. So over here the merchant can manage its own fleet of driver. The merchant owner can just click on this add driver option and specify the details regarding that particular driver. And then over here you have orders. So all the pending orders would just show up in this bucket, and all the active orders would show up in the active bucket. And in order to know the details regarding a particular order, the merchant can just click on view details and just see the complete order details. So you can see the order date, the details regarding the customer, what's the order price, and what are the food items involved. And you can also see the status as well. And in order to update this status, he can just click on this option and update it. So simultaneously the driver will be notified that yes, the order has been delivered, and so on. The next option that we have is for reports. So over here the merchant can just manage all his order reports and driver reports. He can see the details regarding the users and what orders a particular user had placed and what's the status, whether it's on the way or whether it's pending, delivered, confirmed, and everything. And the next option is for accounting. So over here the merchant can see the complete account statement for a particular customer. He can see that yes, the transaction status was received, this is the balance amount, this is the order amount, what are the delivery charges incorporated, and what is the commission, and what is the tax. And over here the merchant can settle all the earnings with the admin. The merchant owner can see what is the amount that he owes to the admin for cash orders, and what is the amount that the admin owes to the restaurant for online orders. And everything can be settled from this panel itself. And in order to just analyze the data, the merchant owner can just click on download CSV and have the file downloaded in that particular format and analyze it. So that's how the merchant panel looks like. As you can see, it's very similar to the admin panel, but yes, it has a restricted view. So that's it. Thank you.